This time on building terminology, the pad or blob footing. So the pad footing is an isolated footing which is designed to spread a concentrated load from a pier or a stump. And another definition, a concrete footing used to support a pier or a stump. So the pad or the blob footing is generally used with a strip footing in a bearers and joist floor construction. So the blob footing or the pad footing supports the isolated piers. The blob footings are generally not reinforced and they are spaced to suit the maximum span or the allowable span of the bearer. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.